Hi everyone, I'm Nilesh Majumdar of Section A, PGP 22. The video is a part of the academic curriculum of IEP, and my topic is India plunging into technical recession. Now, India's GDP has contracted 7.5% in quarter two, as released by National Statistical Office. The GDP growth rate of India has been in decline phase for quite some time, since quarter four of 2019, highest being 23.9% in quarter one of 2020-21, and now in quarter two of financial year 21, it's minus 7.5%, and the GVA, gross value added, is 7%. It has improved. Uh, Technically, it has not, but what was predicted to be 9% is now minus 7%. So in that sense, it has improved a little. Now, this is due to the positive growth that has happened due to the manufacturing sector, which has also seen a growth of 0.6% from minus 39.3% in the previous quarter. But still, the service sector is down with a negative growth of minus 15.6%. Now, private consumption, as reflected in private final consumption expenditure, contracted 11.3% in quarter two, uh, and in quarter two compared to a drop of 26.7% in quarter one. Investment, as reflected by gross fixed capital formation, contracted 7.3% compared to a fall of 47.1% in quarter one. So the government final consumption expenditure contracted 22.2% in quarter two after growing 16.4% in quarter one. So India has been in technical recession for around 4 different years as of now. That is 1957, 58, 1965, 66, 72, 73, 79, 80. But now it is the fifth time that India has been into the technical recession period. While manufacturing production is showing a strong recovery for now, output is close to near-term high. So we expect the strength here to be likely moderate in the coming months, as inventory replenishment is likely over. However, the service sector should be the next in line to recover, with several areas already reporting high activity, notwithstanding increased COVID-19 cases in some part of the country, especially the past few weeks, where India has seen a surge on average of 1,000 cases per day. But India is relieving quickly due to different sectors such as ATF consumption, petrol consumption, diesel consumption, passenger vehicle production, motorcycle production, port cargo traffic, railway freight, air passenger growth, coal production, thermal production. All these indicators are denoting a positive growth. So our RBI Governor, Mr. Shaktikant Das, has cautioned about demand sustainability amid optimism over faster than expected rebound in economy. He pointed to a surge in infections as a downside risk to the economical rebound that only gained momentum in the present quarter. By this, he wanted to mean that unless and until we curb, the rise in the number of COVID cases, an expectation of sudden recovery of Indian economy is a little out of the picture here. So as of now, if we can manage the supply chains and follow a plan in maintaining social distancing to the extent over the next few months or maybe another quarter, um, to put our to put our country back on track. The summer heat can bring a ray of hope. So I'm expecting around, um, if we are successfully able to curb the number of rise in COVID-19 cases, maybe in the next quarter we can see a sharp growth in our Indian economy, and the GDP growth rate would also be around. It will be on the positive side, and we will be on the right track. Thank you.